So Yoshiko, I love shabu shabu, but I can't stand sitting over a steaming hot pot in the middle of summer.
I hear you. So today we are not making shabu shabu the traditional way. We are turning it into a refreshing salad that's light, healthy, and just as delicious.
Wait, you can enjoy shabu shabu without the hot pot?
Absolutely. Fresh vegetables, tender pork, and a flavorful Japanese dressing. It's a perfect summer meal.
A summer version of shabu shabu. No sweating required? Okay, I'm in. So, let's start with the salad. Today we're using lettuce, tomato, asparagus, yellow bell pepper, carrot, and a little red onion. But you can use any seasonal vegetables that you have at hand. So, first we thinly cut the red onion and soak it in water for 5 to 10 minutes, and that helps reduce the sharpness.
For the carrot, peel and cut into thin strips. Place them in a bowl and sprinkle a little bit salt and leave for 5 to 10 minutes.
And why do we do that?
This way, the fresh carrot strips get a little more tender.
I see, okay. And then for the asparagus, we trim off the tough ends and we boil in salted water for just about 30 seconds. Then drain and add cold water to keep that nice green color. Cut them diagonally into bite-sized pieces.
Remove the stem and seeds from the bell pepper and slice it. Cut tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Today I'm using small tomatoes, but any tomato would be fine for this recipe.
And then we tear the lettuce into small pieces and we put everything all together in a colander.
Place the salted carrots in a paper towel and squeeze out the extra moisture and then add them to the colander.
And we're making two dressings for this dish today. One is a soy sauce based and the other is sesame seed sauce. We're using the same two sauces we introduced in our previous Hiyashi Chuka episode, right?
Yes, the soy-based sauce is super easy. Just mix 1/4 cup lemon juice and 1/4 cup mentsuyu, which is a Japanese noodle soup base.
And for the sesame sauce, we combined 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of ground white sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, rice vinegar and sugar, plus 2 tablespoons of tahini. And again, mix well together in a bowl.
If you can't find tahini, white sesame paste works perfectly too for this dish.
So now it's time to prepare the salad.
See how much water was drained.
I see. So that's why it's such a good idea to leave vegetables in the colander for an extra few minutes. So now let's arrange the vegetables on 2 plates, since we're trying 2 different sauces today.
Doesn't that look beautiful?
It looks like summer on a plate.
Depending on the season, I also like to use Japanese cucumber, sugar snap peas, or mizuna, also called Japanese mustard greens.
So we can mix and match based on whatever's fresh on the day, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now let's welcome the star of today's dish, shabu shabu pork.
Yay!
And where do you usually buy pork sliced this thin?
Japanese grocery stores usually carry it. Some online Asian grocery stores sell it too.
And what if we prefer beef to pork?
Beef works beautifully as well.
Oh, so that's good. So now bring a pot of water to a boil and then we turn off the heat. We add the pork slices one by one and then cover with a lid.
This is a secret for tender cooked meat. If you cook shabu shabu meat too long or with high heat, it becomes tough. The residual heat keeps it tender and juicy.
And after just about 1 minute or so, open the lid and make sure the color of the pork is all changed, and then remove the pork from the pot with chopsticks, making sure to drain off all the excess water.
Then arrange the pork slices one by one over the salad, and then drizzle your favorite sauce on top.
Wow, look at that. It has all the flavors of shabu shabu, but it feels perfect for summer.
Exactly. Light, refreshing, and packed with vegetables.
I can't wait any longer.
Let's eat!
Itadakimasu!
Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious. Happy cooking!